Welcome to Hiragana Lesson 9. In this lesson, we will learn the R row. The sounds of the R row are Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro. This is Ra. This is Ri. This is Ru. This is Re. And this is Ro. Let's check out the stroke order of the R row. The first character of the R row is Ra. Ra. This is Ra. So this character has got just two strokes. The first stroke is like this, and the second stroke is like this. This is Ra. Ra. The next character is Ri. Ri. This is Ri. So let us see how to make this character. This character has got two strokes. The first stroke is like this, and the second stroke is like this. So the character you saw when I was showing you this character for the first time before, that's just a font of the keyboard. So both characters are correct. This is Ri. Ri. The next character is Ru. Ru. This is Ru. So let us see how to make this character. This character has got just one stroke. So let us see how to make it. The stroke is like this and like this. This is Ru. Ru. The next character is Re. Re. This is Re. So let us see how to make this character. This character has got two strokes. The first stroke is like this, and the second stroke is like this. This is Re. Re. The last character of the R row is Ro. Ro. This is Ro. So let us see how to make this character. This character has got just one stroke. So the stroke is like this and this. This is Ro. Ro. Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro. Let's see how much you have learnt. Which is this character? This is Ro. Which is this one? This is Ri. And this one? This is Ru. Which is this one? This is Re. And the last one? This is Ra. Well done. Practice writing these 5 characters today. And in the next lesson, we will do the last and the final row. That is Wa, O and the N sound.